Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing Coal India. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further updates, and also join the Telegram channel. The link has been shared in the description box. The first thing on weekly chart, Coal India weekly chart, what I want to see is the trend. Let me draw a downtrend line here, and let me check out with both log chart as well as the linear chart. Okay, this is how the linear chart looks. Okay, the next thing I want to show you that Coal India has formed a inverted head and shoulder pattern, and it has given a breakout and it has retested the neckline. You can check out here. Now let us go ahead and draw the inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, here it is. Let me show you this. You can see here, this is the left shoulder, and this you can consider it as a head, and this was a right shoulder what it has formed, and Coal India has broken the neckline, and price has sustained well above the trend line, and you can see a retracement here what has happened. And the best thing is prices is also trading above this 50 moving average. So what next? The next I would see for the targets, here the neck low is somewhere around 109.55, and this point is somewhere around 149. This low is 109.55 and this is 149, almost 40 points movement on the upside we can probably expect here. So in case price starts moving above this level, if price has already tested this neckline, and any movement on the upside from this level, we can probably expect from 148, we can expect more 40 points, that is somewhere around 188. It will be probably near this trend line. This is the maximum target what I am seeing for now. Now before it moves to this target, we'll have different support and resistance here. Let us go and check out what resistance we have here. So this is going to be the first resistance, that 163, and the next 177, and then probably we'll have 185. So these are the targets you can go with, guys. And in case price breaches this trend line, then probably we can expect some more momentum on the upside, at least till this 200-day moving average. This is the 200-day moving average. In case price closes above this downtrend line what I have drawn, this is a big downtrend line breach then, because it's a very long-term downtrend line. Let me show you again on monthly chart. This downtrend line what I have taken into consideration is almost of around 3 years, I suppose. Let me check it out. Okay, you can see here, I'm sorry, it's not 3 years, it's more than 3 years. It's almost around 5 to 6 years. It's a big downtrend line which can breach above this point, that is 185. Price closing above 185, guys, we can go ahead with the target of this 200-day moving average on weekly basis. You can see this is what I'm talking about. The good chances prices from here can hit this level somewhere around 200 to 210, and once it breaches that level as well, we'll have different targets which I'll update you on my YouTube channel as well. So for now, as I can see, yes, Coal India looks good for the long side above this level, that is 148. We can take entry at somewhere around 148, and then once price starts moving up, you can start trading the stop loss for maximum benefit. This is all I have for Coal India now, because I try to keep my analysis very simple. In case you have any doubts, you can just drop in a comment. I'll try to solve that. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next video.